What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 41 and today's topic is again going to be very interesting and exciting. So by name you guys will definitely understand. So this is going to be how to generate QR code in your PDF file. Definitely we are going to use PDF graphics sub package, but I'll also show you what are the different methods that are available to generate QR code. So how to generate QR code in your PDF file, this is the main topic. So without wasting much time, let me open this ID. Okay, so this is tutorial 41 and topic will be how to generate QR code. So let me first import all the necessary libraries. So from REPORTLAB dot graphics dot barcode import QR. Okay, then from reportlab dot pdf gen import canvas. This is one thing, and the last thing, I think this is all. So let me just write down the PDF object first. So this is going to be canvas dot canvas. This is going to be tutorial 41.pdf. okay, and after that we'll define one text for our QR code. So this is going to be, let's say, www dot let's say total technology.com. okay, and we'll write the QR code like this. So this is going to be QR code widget. So we'll write the text here. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll try to this is the actual code, QR code. Okay, so now what is going to happen, I'm just thinking, okay, so now we need to add this thing inside our drawing. Okay, so I'll create a drawing object. So drawing underscore obj, but for that we need to define that first, import that package first. reportlab dot graphics import shapes. okay, so this is going to be shapes dot drawing, and then we'll add this figure. Drawing object dot add, and we'll add this QR code here. okay, and after that what I'll do, so render PDF. okay, so we'll render this thing. So render PDF dot yes, so render PDF dot draw. So this is going to be, let's say, drawing object is this. So I will write drawing underscore obj, and our PDF file will be PDF. okay, and the XY coordinate, let's say I will put it like, let's say 50 or let's say 200, and from the top it will be, let's 200. So in this location it is going to be printed, and now we'll say PDF dot save. So let's, if you run this thing, so hopefully we'll get one file with tutorial 41.pdf. inside that file, in this position we'll get a QR code, and if you scan this QR code or decode this QR code, it will be written like totaltechnology.com. so let me run this thing first. So this is run, terminated, so successfully completed. So what I'll do, so this is tutorial 41.pdf. let's open this thing. So this is not tutorial 41, so let me open this thing. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, let me delete this thing and again try to this thing. Okay, and let's run this thing again and let's refresh this thing here. So it's generated. So this is tutorial 41. So what I'll do, I will try to decode this thing. So I have a website here, you can just decode your PDF, QR code. So I just upload the file. First let me choose the file. So this is the file, last update date 1638. This is 1638 today. So let me just upload this thing, then upload. Okay, so it's saying upload, it is asking to upload the image. So this is actually looking for the image. So what I'll do, we need to upload the image actually, so I'm not sure. So what I'll do, just do something different, don't worry guys. So what I'll do, so I'll just take a screenshot of this thing. So this is going to be saved in my desktop. So now I will try to choose the file. So it will be inside my desktop. So this is screen recording, cancel. Why this is not coming? Desktop. I'm not sure why the screen recording. This is the download. So this is 1639. So definitely this is the one. So let me upload this thing. So I'm getting totaltechnology.com. So I will try to do the same thing again. So this time probably I can give some random name, abcd.com. So let me run this thing again. So now what I'll do, I will 1640 it is updated. So let me just take a screenshot of this thing again. There are Python packages are available which can easily help you to decode. So that is kind of PyZBR. I'm not sure, I need to check, but you can do it easily. So now let me again try to decode this thing. Choose file, and again this is 1640. Okay, open, upload. Let's try this thing. See, abcd, total technology, abcd.com. it is also here, total technology, abcd.com. so this is one way of doing this thing. Okay, so let's try this thing here. Okay, let's try to do something. PDF file using QR code library or package. So if you go here, QR code Python, this is the library which you can easily use. Pip install QR code. I'm only using this thing, so I'll not, sorry, I've already installed this thing, so I'm not going to install this thing again. So rather what I'll do, I will I'll show you what else we can do it. Okay, so I'm just thinking. Okay, just thinking. Okay, so there is another way of doing this thing. Render PM probably, and if you probably I think let's remove this thing first. Render PDF. So just keep this thing like this. Okay, add comment block. So now what I'll do, I will try to Okay. Generate QR, how to generate QR code in PNG. Okay, so for that we need to like from REPORTLAB dot graphics dot barcode import QR, right? So next thing is going to be from REPORTLAB dot graphics import shapes and render PM for the PNG. So now what I'll do, I'll just define one drawing underscore object, and this is going to be shapes dot drawing. Okay, and now what I'll do, I will try to create the code, and this is going to be same thing, www.totaltechnology.com. okay, so now QR code is going to be QR code widget, and inside that I'll just put this code. Okay, and drawing object dot add is QR code. Now I would like to create a PNG file from this thing. So for that, render PM dot draw to file. Okay, so this is going to be drawing object. Okay, and just forget about it probably, so I'm not sure that this is going to be the file name, or I need to, let's say ronnie.png. let's run this thing first. It's terminated, so let's refresh this thing. So this is the file, and see, this is now one thing, 41. So if you want to like, what is the tutorial hour? Okay, I just put it in a different file. So if you would like to change the height and other things, so for that you can easily do it. So this is going to be QR code dot bar height equals to, let's say 150, and QR code dot bar width is going to be 200. So if you run this thing, the height and width will be a bit bigger, but it is actually in this side. So what I'll do, let me just try to increase this thing a bit, let's say 350, 300. It's actually a bit upward. So but if you open this thing from here, actually see, it is actually here. So you need to change this thing. So for that, so this is, if you don't use this thing, then also it will come here, and also you will get this thing here. So see, this is, and what I'll do now, I'll just change the drawing object size and this thing, because we know how to define the drawing object already, we have seen. So what I'll do, I'll just change the drawing object is 500 and 500. So now if I do this thing or this thing, see, it is there. So now if we just make this thing a bit bigger, QR code dot bar width, let's say 200. Okay, let's run this thing and let's open this file from here. So it is actually coming this side. Okay, it starts from here. Okay, and if you want to add, so probably we need to like 200 and 150. Let me just check this thing now. Okay, it says add text from 2 to 3 positional arguments, but 4 were given, but I can only give. Okay, I would like to change this bit, but it is not working. So what I'll do, well, see this thing. So for that we need to check this thing, but this is how you can create your PNG file as well. So guys, I will come back to you like how to change the bar width and all probably in the next tutorial, but this is how you can export your QR code in the form of PNG. So what I'll do, I'll just try to duplicate this thing. Let me just how to generate QR code in GL code and export as PNG. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, so this is and how to generate QR code using Python QR code. What was there? Python QR code. Okay, so PSEK package, and let me just put this thing in the bracket. So like this. So now I'll use this QR code submodule or package directly from the Python. So let me just again what I'll do, so I will write generate QR code using QR code package. Okay, so for that purpose we need to just import QR code. Okay, from REPORTLAB dot PLATYPUS import simple doc template. Okay, then from reportlab.lib.styles import get sample style sheet. Okay, so first thing first, we'll just define this thing. PDF is going to be simple doc template, and inside that we'll put tutorial41.pdf. okay, so now we'll see what is going to be the code. So code is going to be same thing. Well, I can just paste it. Okay, okay, now QR code is going to be QR code dot make, and inside that we'll put this code, and after that QR code dot save. Let's say we'll see Ronnie1.png. so let's run this thing first, whether it is working or not. Let's check this thing. So this is actually working. So if I refresh this thing, we'll get this image file already. Refresh, so it is here. So let me just run this thing to check whether we are getting this same string or not. So let me just go here, and so this is Ronnie1.png. so upload, see totaltechnology.com. so let me change something here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and try to run this thing again. So timing is 1653. so we'll try to choose the file again. So this is 1653 again. Open and upload. Let's upload this thing. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is working fine. Now we need to add this thing. So add this thing, what we are going to do. So flow underscore will create on flowable object. So this is going to be this. So now flow underscore obj dot append, and for that we can just create one image, and inside that image we'll put this Ronnie.png, and after that what is going to happen. So pdf dot bill is going to flow underscore obj. So let's see underscore 1. Okay, so there will be one tutorial 41 underscore 1 PDF file, and inside that this PNG will be embedded. So let's run this thing. I think I haven't done anything wrong, so it should generate this file. So let's check this thing. So it is there. So it is also here, right? So everything is working fine. Okay. So now there are other things we can easily change. That is actually the placement of this thing, and other probably you can do it by your own, but I'm not going to do this thing, but rather probably I can try to do something. Let's create something. Image equals to image and PNG, and probably I can just 300 and 300, and I can just append this thing here. So I'm just checking if these things are working or not. Okay, but I'm not sure. So this is working. So let me just, so it is here actually. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will just to make it a bit bigger, let's check. Okay, yes, it's now a bit bigger. Okay, so now let's 700. Let's see, it is a bit bigger. So now next thing, probably everything is working fine. So this is one way of creating this thing without using REPORTLAB graphics thing. But again, how to append this thing, it is definitely the same thing whatever you are doing, but again you can do it like using canvas image as well. So for that also you can easily use that canvas, like canvas.drawimage, and from there you can definitely add this thing. Okay, so for that probably let me just write this thing, and this part is not required at all. If you don't want to use, definitely it will work. Okay, Now I think we can do something else that is going to be let me just check from REPORTLAB.pdf gen canvas. So canvas like this. Okay, now think this is already there. Now what is going to happen, like pdf.draw inline image. So here you can just write ronnie.png. xy means the xy coordinate, so let me just keep it like 100, and from top it will be, let's say, 100. Okay, and width or height, probably let me just define this thing. So width, let's say 300, and height, let's say 300, and I can do something else in the form of like from reportlab.lib.units centimeter, and now pdf.translate, let's write centimeter and centimeter. So probably it will give us the proper dimension, but we need to save the file. So pdf dot, just because we are using, we need to save this thing explicitly. So pdf dot this thing. Okay, so now run this thing. So this is actually 10, and here it is like this. So working properly and working fine actually, so no problem with that aspect. So if you just change this thing, also it will change the location. So it came here, but here, now what I'll do, that image size is not going to change. Okay, I'm just thinking how to change that image size. So probably 100 and 500 is going to change, I'm not sure. 2 3 okay, rather we can use image equals to image, and inside this ronnie.png, and let's say 100 and 300, and here image. Let's run this thing now. Let's check. What it is saying. Okay, so this is not required actually, so you can easily do this thing. So rather, sorry, $10.50. Let me check what are the different things are there. Draw x height width, height width, height width, draws the image recorder, height width. I am not